Hey guys, I've detailed the mind map a little bit more with all these minor things like sound effects, and I figured I would now record some of these sound effects and take you on that journey. So I hope I will do my I will try to do my best in editing out all of the ear raping sounds and stuff out of the video, and also those small parts when I'm gone getting some object from the house, because I've not prepared anything. And also, once again, I'm not a profi at this, and I hope it's still interesting anyway. So we will start with the sound of the flamethrower that we created in our last episode of the top-down shooter. Yeah, I use Audacity. If you want to know how Audacity works, you should check out the tutorial for that. First off, because I don't know a lot of things about this program either, and because the chances that you actually can know German and understand all these things is rather small. So I would have to reinstall the whole program just to do a tutorial on it, and I won't do that. Let's start with the flamethrower. Yeah, so I've now recorded a sound that is roughly like like I imagine the flamethrower to be. Listen to it. Yeah, and this is a part that I will have to edit out of the video, because if I leave it in, your ears will probably not make it out alive, I guess. So first, what I'm doing now is removing noise from the audio. Rauschverminderung, the German word, which is, by the way, not written with the dash in here. That means noise reduction. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a way to reduce this spike, which is way too hard, but I don't know how. Not that. Anyway, just get that out before. Yeah, I don't really care for that now. So I first of all want it a little bit deeper, I think, and also not as fast. Yeah, I think I can strap this. Just trying some different sounds with my mouse, just blowing into the microphone. That seems better. So once again, removing the mouse. The noise, not the mouse. Removing that part, and then slow the whole sound down. No. That seems good. I, by the way, don't have very limited knowledge about this autotune. Is it? I think it's autotune. I don't know about this tuning stuff. Anyway, I don't know a lot about this. I'm just trying things out. This site is how loud the deep sound effects are, the deep frequencies, the low frequencies. And this is how loud the high frequencies are. And I'm just messing around with this, looking if something good comes around. That seems nice. Maybe get an echo? I don't know. No echo. Oh, no echo. How does that? No, not invert. There's something here, backwards. How does that sound? Yeah, not really different. I will keep it anyway. That seems good, make the sound deeper. But that's an annoying frequency. I think I'm onto something with this. Yes. That sounds like a flamethrower somewhat. You see, like this, the problem is that it basically will, like this, will only be the sound. Yeah, you know what, just export it and just try it out how it sounds in-game, and then if that's completely terrible, we can re-record it or something. So the way we can get this into Godot is just having this audio stream player HD, 2D, not HD, and just putting an audio in there, a sound. Flamer, I've got an autoplay, so if once the flame gets instantiated, the sound automatically plays. That saves us a lot of code. Or I don't know how much code it saves us, but it saves us code. Yeah, and with this frequency with this fire frequency, just sounds terrible. But how about if we do that? Oh, we can of course modify this also in engine, so it doesn't have to be exactly like it's here. We can still tune it a little bit. That sounds terrible. We might really have to do this in code because we don't want this overlapping stuff. Oh, that's terrible. Last try. Yeah, no. Fuck, no. Okay, we need code for that. Flame sound playing is false by default. So now we can get to our player, add an alter stream player 2D, add the sound. Works. Get to the flame scene, and that shouldn't do anything at the moment, but I'm deleting it anyway. And that should work. No, it shouldn't, because we've not yet triggered this function. So yes, just do it here. That should work. It does. But not as good as I would like to. And I think the entire sound is just terrible. It doesn't work. Let's create a new one. This one doesn't have an as high as of a high spike. And should work probably, I think. Once again, make it slower. Whoa, that sounds really interesting, but not like a flamer at all. Yeah, that's too much flickering in there. I want to have a soft sound, I think. That might do. That's a click. I don't want that click. Yeah, I like that. Maybe a bit too deep. It's okay. Maybe a little bit too long, but it's really not a professional game. I don't want to publish it or anything. It's just supposed to not be a completely terrible game. Just to, for me to learn something. Maybe you even want that for this one. It's good enough. The song is too long at this point, but that doesn't really matter. As I've said, it's not a game I want to publish. So, we finished that sound. Cross it off. Nice. Yeah, the grenade sound, the dash sound. Yeah, I can do the dash sound with my mount again. With mount, of course. With my mouth. Okay, I was gone there for a while. And I've decided we will do this sound, this grenade sound, and then I will stop the recording and get to cutting. I will probably have to cut this a lot. Yeah, the flamer is finished. And I've got myself a little box that I will just beat a little bit and then see what we can do with that. Sounds good. Just reduce the noise again. Yeah, for this we luckily don't have to make it modular because we won't spam grenades. So we can just make it slower again. Then make it deeper. No, I want to equalize it first. Probably not like this. Or maybe it doesn't even sound that bad like this. want to have a little bit more wumms in this, but I don't think we will get this with that with the box. Can we just delete that? Probably not. Maybe even. Yeah, we can. But nah, not like that. More like that. This clicking sound is annoying me. Wait, there was something with click reduction or something? There. Okay, I have no clue. Just ignore it. Okay, I want something like vroom. Something with more, yeah, like with more rooms in it. Yeah, that sounds good. I've also got a wooden box here. I will add a new track, and then I mute this one. Okay, we can probably do something with that. Make it a little bit slower, but not too much. Then echo. Then we can deepen it. It ends too quickly. So again. There, speed reduction. Deepen. Then echo. Okay. We might want to delay this a little bit more. Okay, how can we do that? We can drag it. There's a way to drag this, but I don't know how. Just like this. It's not even a help. That was too much. I think we. Let's just make it like that. So make it even slower. No. I don't like this. Yeah, the box is too high of a voice. Yeah, my desk is also not that good. Just testing some sounds in my room. Yeah, this might work. I've got some plastic screws, and if I bang them together like this, yeah, now won't fade down. Yeah, if I bang them together like this, that might work. Even just get some more. Might work. I'll just try it. Oh, not on that. Not on that one. Down here. Just get some samples. Put them away and yeah, that is crap. That is crap, we won't need any of that. Just mute this again. Just get some samples. Get rid of that. There's still a small part below 0. We don't want that. We don't. We want to end. Optimally, we want our audio to end exactly on this middle 0 line. That might be nice. Oh, wait, we can add an echo to that top one. I want to try how that sounds. That sounds good. But this clicking sound is horrible. No. We can even just get rid of that. Yeah, if we can make that a better sound, it might work. Otherwise I might just try saying wham really loud or something and then add that. Might work as well. Oh, don't mute it. No, I don't like that. Yeah, this ends too abruptly. Want it to fade out or something? No. Anyway, just yeah. I'll just try screwing RAM or something now. So yeah. Yep. Try that out. Again, get the noise reduction. And then cut all unnecessary parts out. Then make it slower because we want a deep drawn out sound here. A sound might also work. Yeah, this is not good either. Yeah, this equalizer thing always sounds really nice if you get both the low and the high frequencies relatively loud. Then, yeah, then the sounds are just a little bit more juicy or something. I don't really have a word for that, but they're nicer like that. Ah, that sounds nice. Can do better with this one still, I think. Maybe an echo again. Mm. Have this one fade out. Because if it's just ends abruptly, that's not nice. Oh, this can make for a really nice grenade sound. I might even try the cardboard box again. On a new track. Just to get a bit more of an explosive sound in the beginning. That sounds usable. I want this one, noise reduction. Oh, that was cut off too early. Not even that. Just can I cut it here? Yes, I can. Might want to get louder. I can't do it louder with this one. Oh, I can. But that's a dangerous option. I don't know what Übersteuerung means in English. But it's basically if I scream into the microphone and this and you're then that's the effect that happens. I can't really explain it as well, but you probably know what I mean. You've all heard it, I'm sure. Okay. Oh, that sounds nice. Just get this one a little bit more under control. Maybe even just not make it as loud. So plus 60 decibel or something. I don't even know how much I made it last time. I think I had 20 in mind, but I doubt it was 20. No, that's the wrong one. This one plus 3. Yeah, that sounds good. Then equalize it. Yeah, I want to focus more on these ones, on the higher tones, I think. But not that much. Okay, I think we're pretty finished with this one. I think that sounds pretty good. So we can just export it as grenade.wav. And then get back to Godot. And we've not yet added a grenade in, but we can change that. Oh, grenade. Oh yeah, it's of course not in there. In here. What's that? Grenade with a sprite and an audio stream. Okay, nice. And an audio stream player 2D with a grenade sound. That sounds pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yes, but yeah, I don't know if we need a. We might need to change this to an Area 2D as well, but that's not matter for now. That doesn't matter for now. Yeah, and then until next time, bye.